me show you what comes with the Brother 1034D Serger as for tutorials, manuals, and warranty. So first off, you do get 2 printed manuals and 2 DVDs here that you can play probably more in your computer, but one is for the serger and one is serger techniques. So give those a peek at, but I will tell you, all these videos that we're doing, probably a little easier to access. You can access them anywhere on your phone, on a tablet, or your computer. So love that feature. And thank you, YouTube, for allowing us to do all these tutorials for all of our sewers. So here we have a handbook for the serger. So this is going to walk you through like how to thread it and where all the parts and pieces go. So that is nice to have, that you don't have to print your own manual, especially these days. And then this is a serger techniques booklet. So this is going to show us like our rolled hems or serging with 3 threads instead of 4 threads and some different scenarios. So that is nice. Now, you also have an accessory order form in here. I was noticing that you can get a few other accessory feet and things like light bulbs and such. But keep in mind, you can always visit your local Brother store and they would have these items also. As for the warranty, so the Brother serger does come with a decent warranty, which, by the way, you can register your serger at registermybrother.com. And for the warranty, you're going to have just some of the basic things that are covered. Warranty is 1 year on parts and labor and accessories, 5 years on electrical parts. That's usually more like your power cord and things. It says circuit boards. To tell you the truth, there's not really circuit board, well, not really. There is no circuit boards in this serger, so that might not be as close of a, or as part of the warranty here. And then 25 years on anything that might be defective on the actual manufacturing of the chassis of the machine. So here's the thing. You need to take care of your serger if you want to get the most out of it. You're going to need to have it serviced on a regular basis, and I'm going to teach you how to clean and oil it. And then that way you know that you can take care of this and it's going to last you the time. So, but if you have any questions or issues, again, you can contact your local Brother store. But tell you the truth, you can find any of your local sewing machine stores are able to service sergers. They are very similar, and like at our store too, we service all brands of sergers. Once you pull the covers off, they're very similar inside. So find a local place that you're comfortable taking your serger to, and just make sure she gets an annual service and she will treat you well for years to come.